What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video, and I got my Curlbox. So let's open it up here. So this month I got the How to Come Clean edition. And it tells you everything that you get, and wash away, condition your mind, let it shine. Okay, so let's go on in here and get into it. And when you get a Curlbox, it looks like this. Don't mind the sticker, I took that off already. And you have black stuff, if it will cooperate. See, I can't hold it right, but anyways, I'm gonna show you what's in here. All right, first thing, you always, sometimes, I'm not gonna say always, they always give you a little extra something. Oh my God, there's a mosquito. I can't even freaking get it. I don't know where it went, but I have to get that before I'm done with this video. Embarrassing. Okay. Anyways, so this is a shower cap. And it's Originals American Best full shower cap. Okay. And then it gives you stuff that you can do for your wash, remedy, and tips. Get on into this. Let me take this off. Looking foolish. And I messed up my hair a little bit. Originals for American, by Americans Best for American. Coconut cream. Moisturizing shampoo. There's a glare. Sorry. Anyways, let me do smell tests. Of course it has a freaking thing on there. Anyways, I already smelled one of these. It's obviously coconut, but not every coconut is the same. And then we have the conditioner. This smells really good, and it's like a creamy texture. Can't wait to use this. And then this is your leave-in conditioner. And then we got oil, dry oil. So I'm pretty excited. Never heard of this brand. So I'll let you guys know how it goes with this. I'm sorry, almost lost my voice there. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Pretty excited about this shower cap, because who wouldn't be excited about another shower cap that you don't have to buy? Anyways, so you always get a Curlbox card because you're Curlbox certified. Anyways, so it says, show off your style. We want to see you use the products in the month's box. Tag us with your Curlbox on Instagram, showing off your products or your hairstyles for a chance to win this month's prize. So every time they send those cards, and if you use the product, you should definitely tag them on Instagram. I've never been able to use my products because, well, I used my first ever box, but this is my third box or fourth, can't remember. But I used my only first box because the other boxes, one time I was allergic to a brand name that they had, and I looked it up. Even though it was for curly hair, it still has some of the stuff that I'm allergic to in it, so I didn't want to use the box, so I just gave it to someone else. But on that note, the lady that I gave it to, she said that it makes her hair feel amazing, but you can't use the co-wash every day, which that's because it dries your hair out. Unless you have like very moisturized hair, but I still think it would dry your hair out. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's all. It wasn't that fancy box that I got last time that I couldn't even use. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And as you can tell, I have an elephant right here. My best friend gave me that. And I guess my next video, I'll give you like a preview of my room, what I have in my room and what I don't have. And that's all. Thanks for watching.